am your assessor for the day. I'm just not an assessor, but also a part-time teacher. So this is my ID. So before we start, I want you to fill out an attendance form, or sheet rather, for me to know if you're present or not.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, before we proceed to the assessment, I would like to collect your admission form that you filled out last time. Thank you. So, before I discuss your qualification that you're going to undertake, or rather, going to take the assessment, I would like you to show you the self-assessment guide for you to, for me to rather, to evaluate your performance. I know, for you to evaluate your performance. So our assessment will be that your qualification that you're going to take is Web Development and C3. So these are the qualification summary, the list of competency from basic, common, and core competency. As for this one is our floor plan or area of workshop. As you can see, you are only here in the assessment area, but when you go outside the assessment area, you will see the learning center area and learning resource area and other more areas. So now let's begin our assessment. So may I call Ms. Laborde to proceed with your assessment. So Ms. Laborde, I want you to design me a basic layout of a web development that is in the civil and information sheet last time that was further discussed. Okay, thank you. As for your test package, I will give you 30 minutes to answer this test package.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Laborde. So now you can go back to your seat, please. So may I call on Mr. Arania to receive this assessment. So as what we did with Ms. Laborde, you will design a basic layout of web development. So for further assessment, I want you to answer this test package. I will give you about 30 minutes to answer the test package. Let's start first with Mr. Arelia. What is HTML?
Hypertext markup language.
That's correct. And for Ms. Laborde, what is JavaScript?
Sorry, no.
Thank you. So now I have the evidences that I gathered, and I know now who is the competent and not yet competent. So first one, may I call on Miss Laborde, please. So Miss Laborde, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're not yet competent. As you can see on the activity that I tell you to do is there's no navigation and there's no headings, and the layout of your basic website is not it's scattered and not well arranged or organized. So Ms. Laborde, I'm sorry you were not able to perform within the standard requirements of the qualification, but you may come back after a month for the reassessment. So thank you very much. I will see you in a month or so. May I call on Mr. Arandia for his result for the assessment. So Mr. Arandia, the basic layout that you did is very good, and the test package that you did is also on the standard. And it means that you meet all the standards that is required for me to call you competent enough for this qualification. So congratulations, Mr. Arandia. Is your documents and certificate that telling you that you're competent and qualified, that you're qualified in web development and CP. So thank you very much. So that's all, everyone, and thank you for today. Once again, I'm your assessor, Nicole Broma,